aboard the Tomorrowland Transitory PeopleMover, your quiet and carefree highway of the sky. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your grand circle tour of Tomorrowland. Along the way, you can preview many of the exciting places you want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow. PeopleMover is the perfect vehicle for people watching, so keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see. Tomorrowland stands at authority proudly presents Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype view of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney. If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Mickey Stock Traders, where you'll find the latest goods from around the galaxy. At the Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket. Space Mountain. Blast off on a high-speed outer space adventure and quickly into the cosmos.
Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow. Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower.
sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world. Different high-flying adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel Progress. Inside your rotating gear, full families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
Space Ranger, this is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your star cruiser and join me on this daring space mission. I can see you on Earth.
As an honorary space ranger, you'll use your own personal laser cannon to save the entire galaxy. This time it's laughter they're after at Monsters Incorporated. So drop in and enjoy Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated platform. Check one.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
As we approach the Tomorrowland Transit Authority station, our grand circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority PeopleMover. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.